Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve under square root 11,112 square minus 44,444. So let's start with the today's video solution. So under root square 11,112 we can write it as 11,111 plus 1 whole square minus, if I'll take 4 as common, so 1 is left. Now if I'm consider A is equals to 11,111, so we can write this as A plus 1 whole square minus 4A. Now here I'm going to use a very famous identity, that is A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A square plus 1 square plus 2A minus 4A. So A square plus 1 square minus 2A. So A square plus 1 square minus 2A is equals to A square plus B square minus 2 times A times B. So it is the formula of A minus B whole square. So where A is A and B is 1. So we can replace this as A minus 1 whole square. So with the help of this square root eliminates. So A minus 1 and the value of A is 11,111 minus 1. So 11,111 minus 1 is 11,110. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.